Welcome to the world of giants, where machines cost $10 million and move entire mountains in a single day. This is the ultra-class dump truck, a mechanical titan designed for the most punishing environments on our planet Earth. Standing over 25 feet tall, even its smallest components are larger than a standard pickup truck parked nearby. Let us begin with the tires, which cost $30,000 each and stand twice as tall as humans. Climbing the diagonal staircase to the cabin feels like ascending a small building just to reach the pilot's seat. Inside the cockpit, the operator is surrounded by advanced telemetry screens monitoring every single liter of fuel and pressure. We start the massive 16-cylinder engine, which roars to life with the power of nearly 4,000 horses today. The vibration is intense as the electric drive system engages, sending massive torque to the rear wheels for the journey. We navigate the steep, winding roads of the Quarry, utilizing dynamic braking to keep this heavy metal beast controlled. Approaching the loading zone, a massive hydraulic shovel waits to drop 50 tons of raw ore in one scoop. Precision positioning is vital here, as the truck must align perfectly to avoid damaging the expensive steel body structure. The first impact of rock shakes the entire frame, but the heavy-duty suspension absorbs the shock with incredible ease. Onboard sensors calculate the load weight in real time, ensuring we do not exceed the 400-ton maximum carrying capacity limit. 3 more scoops follow quickly, filling the tray to the brim with gold-bearing ore worth thousands of dollars per ton. Now fully loaded, the truck weighs over 1 million pounds, requiring immense power to climb out of the pit. The diesel-electric powertrain works in harmony, converting fuel into massive electrical energy to turn those giant rear wheels. We maintain a steady crawl up the 10% grade, where any mistake could lead to a catastrophic mechanical failure. Cooling fans the size of airplane propellers spin at maximum speed to prevent the engine from overheating under load. We reach the summit of the quarry and head toward the primary crusher, where the processing journey finally begins. Reversing a machine this large requires multiple cameras and radar sensors to detect any obstacles in the blind spots. The driver engages the park brake and prepares for the most dramatic part of the entire hauling operation today. 2 massive hydraulic cylinders begin to extend, pushing the steel tray upward with thousands of pounds of fluid pressure. Slowly, the front of the bed rises toward the sky, shifting the center of gravity of this massive machine. Hundreds of tons of rock begin to slide, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard across the entire site. The dust cloud rises as the load hits the crusher, signaling the successful completion of this high-stakes transport mission. Once empty, the bed lowers back onto the chassis with a heavy thud, ready for the next grueling cycle. We take a quick detour to the automated wash station to remove abrasive dust that can damage the seals. Maintenance is constant, with teams of specialized mechanics checking the massive engine every few hundred hours of operation. We check the hydraulic fluid levels, which require hundreds of gallons to keep the lifting systems moving very smoothly. Technicians inspect the tire treads for cuts from sharp rocks, as a blowout here is extremely dangerous and costly. The air filters, large enough for a person to stand in, are cleared of debris to keep airflow moving. Looking at the radiator, you realize the sheer scale of the thermal management required for such a massive machine. Refueling is an epic task, taking on over 1,000 gallons of diesel in just a matter of minutes. As night falls, massive LED arrays illuminate the path, allowing these machines to operate 24 hours a day, daily. Rain or shine, the quarry never stops, and these trucks are built to handle the deepest mud and grit. You might wonder why it costs $10 million, but the efficiency and longevity make it a worthy investment. These machines are the heart of global industry, providing the raw materials for everything we build in the world. Join us next time as we explore more mechanical giants that are shaping the future of our modern industrial age.